Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends on cashapp. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the cashapp application on your smartphone. Once you open it up, you may need to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Simply type in your email address and your password and you will be logged into your account. After logging in, you will be taken to this home page. Now from this page, in order to invite your friends, just tap on your account icon at the top right corner. Now from this page, you will be able to see the Invite Friends menu. Just go ahead and tap on it, and now you can directly invite your friends that are in your contact list. You may need to provide access to your contact, so just go ahead and allow the access. Now you can simply tap on the Get $5 button at the right side of the person that you want to invite. This will then take you into the SMS menu. You can tap on the SMS button to send a text message to your selected contact. Once you do this, the invite will be sent. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends on cashapp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.